랭게서 공감사 알로니에다 담조 교세와 츠링도 제바베이 다른게 유럽의 계급 저머니다 스위스 중에 필리핀다다 배던 잡교 초벌에 디멘기 비밀라 가신 연예 창물로 야세라 쉬어질래야 벽이 담주 발라 샤바디 톨리 안 담주 디기 탑숑 지나녜디 아비셰크 마줌다르 임바타 탭지 나녜디 락바 츠릴라다 헤리 퍼먼 코나니 남브레 아니 자베 마레 탄도보도 예지간에 담주 망고 처음 용데 잡으러 상마 지게 미리 차디기요 다리 믹스기 로균알 쾌래야 다리기 담주 디난게 참여 창말로 뷰리 임바다 깨디나 벽에날이야 참는 게 요래 제가 디날에 참여 접으시나 벽이 되가 저번에 참미시다 벽이 담주 쳔번에 참미가 아니 아리네 나랑 제병아서 참미 주기 줍샤바지 임바다 안가서야 차로 나니 그나서 레제미 뒤에 안나버지 총계날이야 가서 잡되니 슈츠숨도 치기요 디나네 저머니라 잡되니 슈다 스위스라 잡되니 숨요래 산에 가와 연구하면 남버서 대 CV나 차장 거샤요 참으로 제용
What it means to be non-violent in a violent world. I think that's basically what the play is about. It's about how difficult it is to be non-violent in today's time where non-violence is not valued. I had met many people who are part of movements, freedom struggles, and it seemed like the world just didn't value non-violence. So I thought, okay, what is the non-violent movement? What's like the superstar non-violent movement to study, which has actually survived? For me, it's very, very important that the play is happening in Tibetan, in the language, because a lot of the Tibetan struggle is about the language. But the Chinese authorities are also systematic in destroying them.
As being a big project, and this is a first ever big play is happening in exile Tibetan history. So this is the first time like Tibetan actors are acting in the international stage. First time happening, like with that also a political play. Actually like cultural performance that does a lot, but like political play, like because of the Chinese pressure, we didn't get opportunity. Also we didn't did that in the past.
From starting, I told that we are going to make a history. This play is going on the international platform, so I'm very excited. I want to make His Holiness proud. He also likes play, and he also gives lots of speech that play is very important.
When I'm on stage, in my preparation, I was thinking like when I'm on stage, I have the whole responsibility of Tibetan people, because through that play, I think we can really show the audience what's really happening in Tibet.
Was passiert heute in Tibet und im Exil? Darüber müssen Geschichten erzählt werden und in die Welt getragen werden.
It's real, and it's the life actually. It's not fantasy, or it's based on real facts.